Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited to unbox and review this amazing Dum Biryani by Kilo. I have heard so many great things about this product and I just can't wait to dive in and share my experience with you all. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have got here. The biryani comes in a big sturdy box that's perfect for storing and transporting. And look at that, it's sealed with a nice tight lid to keep everything fresh and secure. And wow, look at that, the biryani is perfectly cooked and looks absolutely delicious. I can already smell the amazing aromas of the spices and basmati rice. Now let's mix everything together and see how it tastes. I am using a big spoon to gently mix all the ingredients together and making sure to distribute the flavor evenly throughout the biryani. Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing. The flavors are so rich and instant, and the rice is cooked to perfection. I can already tell that this is going to be a favorite of mine. And guys, I highly recommended checking out this dum cooked biryani by Kilo. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. And it's incredible to see our community growing, and it's motivate me to keep creating content that inspire, entertain and inform. Whether you have been here from the start and just joined the recently, or your engagement, like, comment and share makes a huge difference. It helped me understand and resonate. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.